And that should stay like that forever. But I'm going to get rid of the leak. Took like 2 or 3 seconds for it to open up. Saw that there's no more leak. Pressure built up on the line. Now we're up at operating pressure.
Right.
Which is 25 psi.
And that's what it's supposed to be, right?
Right. So at 25 psi operating pressure, to create a 3-gallon leak with this apparatus, I need to have a flow rate of 4.7 on here. So I'm going to check my calibration. I'm going to go back. I'm going to go through this flow meter. I'm flowing at like 7 right now. So
I see.
And I can't really see 4.7 on there, but I want to get it down to like 5. So that should be a. And we're still operating pressure and all that, but we're going through my flow meter now. This should be a 3-gallon per hour leak. So if we sat here for an hour, we should accumulate 3 gallons based on the calibration that I just set up.
Okay.
So
you simulated a leak.
Well, I already did simulate a leak by pulling the plugs out, but now I've calibrated my 3-gallon leak so far.
Got it. Oh, I see. Okay.
So we're sitting there operating pressure right now. The turbine's still running. I'm going to check my impact valves right now.
Okay.
0.3, a third of an inch of water column right now.
Oh, so you're introducing nitrogen in here. Yep. Okay. How long will that take to introduce the nitrogen?
Well, this is a 2-inch water column test, so we're already at half a water column.
Oh, okay. Oh, I got it.
So not that long. But I just want to put some in there right now, and I'm going to shut it off.
Okay.
See what it does, because we could be leaking from 50 different places right now.
Oh,
this is the day you test it.
Oh.
And for the rest of the year, it's failing.
Oh, I see.
So my empty space in my tanks is 14,666 gallons. That's my ullage space.
14 or 11?
All right, yeah. 14. Sorry. And so I got 14,000 gallons of empty space. I got a balanced system. The vapor recovery system is balanced as opposed to a system, 2 types of system. That's a whole.
I got that. I got that.
So I'm gonna go to 15,000. And I got 8 nozzles. The number of nozzles.
Yeah.
I'm allowed to drop in 5 minutes time to 1.90. 5 minutes time.
Got it. Okay. Maybe he has a hose. Okay, so now we're going to ask the station owner whether or not he has a hose that we can just put on for him. Because this needs.
In the sun, sometimes if it's skewed.
Yep.
And bring it up to like 1/2 inch again and see what it does.
Yep. Now, if it holds to 1/2 inch, then we know that was a problem. You'll go to the next, maybe 1 inch.
Yeah. There's a little bit of stabilizing too to take into account. So
of course.
If it continues to count down, I'll assume it's leaking. If it continues just to go back and forth.
Like if it stabilizes at 46, you know you're good?
Yeah, I think it's, well, there we go. Drop tube connection, there's O-rings above and below that drop tube. I don't think it's leaking necessarily.
But you use soapy water to see if it bubbles, right?
Yeah. Unless I can, like that hose, we can see the breach. If I can't see the breach, even though I'm getting an alarm.
Neat.
Yeah.
I like that. So if it's really leaking, the whole glove will inflate. Where they would have to dig it up. And...
Oh yeah, in reference to this test.
Yeah.
Yes. We may find, if we haven't been here and this is a new site, and a site that we've been to every year, I don't expect to find a major problem unless somebody wasn't doing their job correctly. But yeah, there may be an underground leak. There could be a vapor piping coming from the dispensers to the tank that broke, cracked, got fractured somehow.
Right.
And we're looking for all these above ground leaks, and suddenly, after hours of looking, we find we can't find anymore. We might have to start isolating tanks from the test and eventually isolating as much as we can.